I am a citizen of the world.
Chúng tôi số khi chúng mình đi khi mà vềประการวิชี
has a question I want to ask you. So you can answer on the chatting box, or you can think about it on your own.
Violent ideology that we will talk about now is that you can never be sure of who you are talking to. Even if you chat with someone,
It seem inconsistent. It's always good to read more than one news source anyway. But if you see that the news sources you're checking are not consistent with each other,
and predict their relationship to the information using those that is universal across the board, simply because of the way our brains are wired.
This definition, which you might have seen before without hearing me talk about it, is the definition that we use of digital literacy.
That one central part of his identity, there's this thing that has been raised, would he be helping her in terms of carrying bags, but also helping change her perception?
This has on our mental health and in general mental health.
And how we are dealing young people, we spoke about what is identity, what does it mean to us. So
young people are not a monolith either. We hold multiple identities and experiences at the same time.
Intergenerational co-ownership, in the sense that we have to build alliances first as young people amongst us.
Which is not healthy. It is
powerful and that they are able to
how the media is working over there at your space.